A fresh start in Belgium. Michael, a retired lawyer from Florida, spent years in a high-pressure career, navigating complex legal battles and juggling endless responsibilities. When the time came to hang up his coat, he longed for a life of tranquility, far from the hustle of the courtroom. The idea of moving to Europe, where history, culture, and a slower pace of life beckoned, became his dream. However, the transition wasn't as simple as packing bags and booking a flight. That's when JIP Migrate stepped in, offering not just guidance, but a lifeline to his future. With their expert advice, Michael was able to invest $824,000 in a chocolate factory in Brussels, a decision that would not only secure his financial future, but also provide him with a new purpose. The move to Brussels brought Michael more than he could have ever imagined. The city's cobblestone streets, the aroma of freshly made chocolate, and the vibrant community welcomed him warmly. The investment, once a distant plan, blossomed into a thriving business that not only filled his days with joy, but also brought him a steady income. JIP Migrate didn't just help Michael relocate, they gave him a second chance at a fulfilling professional life, one that was sweetened by the success of his venture. Now, as he strolls through the charming streets of Belgium, he feels a deep sense of contentment, knowing that his days are enriched by both the beauty of his surroundings and the rewards of his smart investment. Want to migrate to Europe? Contact JIP Migrate. We enable possibilities for those who are ready to move.